Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial, we will create the jaw for fixture. For that, I select top plane, sketch, normal. I select slot command, center point, straight slot, and draw one slot here. Right click, select option, smart dimension. This distance 30 mm and radius 8 mm. Right click, select option, select this line, make horizontal. Now I select rectangle, center rectangle, and draw one rectangle here. Right click, select option, click inside the rectangle and make it construction geometry. Smart dimension, this dimension 130 mm and this dimension 30 mm. Right click, select option. Now I select line command, midpoint line, and draw vertical line at here. Right click, select option. Similarly again I select midpoint line and draw one vertical line here. Right click, select option. Again I select midpoint line and draw a line here. Right click, select option, smart dimension. Dimension for this line 50 mm. Dimension for this line 40 mm. Dimension for this line also 40 mm. Distance from here to here 40 mm. And this distance from here to here 25 mm. Right click, select option, select this line, uncheck it construction geometry. Now select line command, select this point, this point, this point, and this point. Right click, select option, select this line, delete it. Again select line command, select this point, this point, this point, and this point. Right click, select option, select this line, make it construction geometry, select this line, make it construction geometry, select this line, delete this line, select line, draw one line from here to here. Right click, select option. Our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch, go to features, extruded boss base feature, and extrude it up to 16 mm. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select circle command, draw two circles here with same center point. Right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 6 mm, diameter of outer circle 16 mm. Right click, select option, smart dimension, distance from here to here 21 mm. Right click, select option, select line, select this quadrant of circle and this end of sketch. Right click, select option, again select line command, select this quadrant and this line. Right click, select option, select this line, make vertical, select this line, make vertical, select this line, convert entities. Now select trim entities, power trim, trim this line, trim this arc. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to features, extruded boss base feature, and from here select up to surface. Select this surface, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now I select rectangle, corner rectangle, Select this line and draw one rectangle here and select this line. Right click, select option Smart Dimension. Distance from here to here, this is 13 mm. Distance from here to here, also 13 mm. Right click, select option. Our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch. Extruded cut. Select through all. Select OK. Now select top plane. Select front plane, sketch, normal. Select line command. Draw a line from here to here and here to here. Right click, select option. Select this edge. Convert entities. Select this line. Make vertical. Smart Dimension. Distance from here to here 6 mm. Angle of this line 30 degree and the height of this line 8 mm. Right click, select option. Trim entities. Trim this portion of line and this portion. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch. Extruded cut. From here select through all both sides. Select OK. Now select fillet. Select this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. Same here, these edges. Fillet 5 mm. Select OK. Now select this face. Fillet 0.5 mm. Similarly this face and this face. .5 mm. Select OK. Now this part is complete. Give it some color. I select edit appearance and I select this color. Select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.